just talking to the sheep. See how greeny slash blue that water was? Bit of rain coming.
Sunshine, my only sunshine.
Cool sign. Tourist information if you want it. Plenty of leaflets for you. Hey everybody. So thanks for tuning in and welcome to another video. So we're still in the Lake District this week, and you'll probably know if you've watched the other two videos that we're taking a short break and having a holiday here. So take a look at them. We went to see the Copper Mines Valley and Force Crag Mines, if you want to have a look at them. So currently we're heading up a valley here to a place called Tongue Pot, and it's at the bottom of HARDKNOTT Pass, which is quite a well-known road in the Lake District for being steep and quite technical. So we're going to carry on this way. In the meantime, we'll show you what our journey was like from the accommodation to here, because there was a lot of nice scenery. So we'll show you a few clips of that and then we'll get back to today. Think of the drive here then, guys. We basically come from Coniston and headed to a place called Seathwaite, and then up to Burke's Bridge, and that sort of bridge at the other end of HARDKNOTT Pass, and yeah, made our way here. Beautiful scenery on the way here. And this is equally as nice. Plenty of herdies. Just chilling.
Yeah.
There's wife.
There's mate, and sheep.
She's just talking to the sheep. Leave it to her, I'm so sorry, she said. See you guys. Bye. More herdy.
This side you go.
Yeah.
You're prettier than the Welsh sheep, don't tell me.
Different to the Welshies. Pass. I don't know if this camera's picking, I think it is. Look at the water there. All the streams and rivers we've seen are just perfectly clear water slash blue water. Must be some good water in the lakes.
Bit knobbly underfoot, guys. Now we're kind of feeling like we're in Scotland. I mean, you can't get much more peaceful than this.
Well, I hope you're enjoying our little stroll through this Lake District Valley, guys. And the end result is we're going to get to a waterfall at the end of the valley and a cute little bridge. So that'll be nice. We're a little bit tired from yesterday's walk, which was last week's video for you guys. It's a bit more distance than we were hoping for. We're doing it though, aren't we, wife? We'll see you as we get a bit closer. So in front of me here is a cute little bridge and two big waterfalls coming down. Try and get you a couple of shots of them. There's wife, little cider. This is the little bridge to my left. Well, that was it for dinner, guys. We're going to start making our way back. Did you see how greeny slash blue that water was? Absolutely crystal clear. I hope you're enjoying today, because we are. The sun's gone though. It's cooled off now. It's probably about, I think it's about 4:45, 4 o'clock. Bit of rain coming. Nice waterfall.
Nice leg breaker.
Leg breaker. Yeah. What a view that is, guys. I know I'm going on about it, but God, it's nice. I gotta say, this is nicer going back this way than the way we went. You can see a lot more, and it's not boggy. Good choice, wife, again. No. What a beautiful place this is, guys. One thing I would say though, it's a little disappointing how much litter I've seen today. And I don't mean like, hasn't really been rappers. It's that place up there is probably popular for wild swimming. So you've seen stuff like people's trainers, those pairs of pants, just like toilet paper, just disgusting. Back there on the gate there was another pair of shoes just hung there, dog poo bags, not loads of it but just a bit scattered along the way, and it's just as easy to take it home with you. I don't understand. This doesn't look pretty, and why should someone else have to pick up someone's dirty pants? I don't get it. But other than that, what a beautiful place. But it'll only stay like that if people bother to look after it, won't it? Very frustrating. Now I got a dirty pair of pants in my bag. You're doing a bit of a jig. That's the happy dance.
Oh, can't put too long. Let's see.
We're not far from the car now, guys. Just this hard pull up the road. Only a couple of minutes and we'll be back. We can unrobe and get in the dry. Oh, that'll be nice. We made it! So what was the point of her getting out then? What
Lighten the load or what?
Benefit was that? Like that she didn't help at all, did she?
our puddings, guys. We didn't have pudding in the Coniston Inn because last night.
You told them we went to the Coniston?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're a bit greedy. Sean bought some of these last night and then we want more, so we came to the garage to come and get them. So we got chocolate.
Why are you whispering?
We got a double Jersey. They're lovely ice creams, they're very creamy. Crushed strawberry and then another chocolate. We're supposed to be having them over 2 nights and we're not just tonight.
2 nights we're having them, oh yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna go home for puds now. So yeah, look at that cute little doggy over there, he's so well behaved. Yeah, so we'll see you back at the little cabin.
Yeah.
Bye! My sunshine, my own sunshine. You make me happy. So great.
Are you that happy about your ice cream?
Yeah, I like an ice cream. I show them a lot of times. It's better than me.
So we're back at the lodge now, guys.
Lodge. And nobody.
So that's the end of this video. We're gonna go and eat ice cream and hot tub it and whatever else comes. So thank you very much for watching. It's much appreciated. Wife says thank you. Side is in the back. He's
Grumpy little girl.
He's a grumpy little guy. I can't tell where he is, but he says thank you. We shall see you on the next one, which will be another Lake District video. I won't give away what we're doing, but it is going to be very good, so it would be worth signing in and subscribing and all that sort of stuff. Isn't it, wife? She doesn't agree. Perhaps you shouldn't then.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Catch you soon. Thank you.